Welcome to this Malden Public Schools video overview of Google Meet. So Google Meet is Google's video conferencing tool that allows teachers and students to connect over live video in a remote or hybrid learning environment. So this video will be a basic overview of accessing Google Meet and understanding the controls in Google Meet from a student perspective. So there's a number of ways to get into a Google Meet call. Primarily, it will happen through Google Classroom. If the classroom teacher allows Google Meet in their Google Classroom section, there's two ways that a student can join a call. Notice, in this Google Meet class, where I'm role-playing a student in the Malden Public Schools, right across the banner of the class is a link to go into a Google Meet that the teacher can customize and set up. If the teacher turns this feature off, this link will not appear on the stream or front page of a Google Classroom section. Also, students can go to the Classwork tab. There is a link on the top of the page to join a Google Meet. Let's jump into this call. So when we click on the Google Meet option, we will see the pop-up that it's getting ready to join the call. Students must allow their microphone and allow their camera to have access to the call. And they will also get a pop-up that their teacher is already in the call. Students will not be able to join a call until their teacher has started the Google Meet session. Let's join this call as the student. So now we are in the Google Meet call. There's a number of key features to be aware of inside of the call. Primarily, on the bottom of the screen, right below me here, we have the option to mute our microphone. Teachers may ask students to mute their microphone to limit the interruptions on other students or on their instruction. In the middle of our bottom toolbar, a student can exit the call. And next to the exit call option is the feature to turn the camera on or off. So students now have the ability to turn off their camera, or the teacher may ask that they have their camera on during the call so they can be seen by their peers and the teacher. In the bottom right-hand corner, there's a new raise hand option, which allows a student to indicate to their teacher that they need help, have a question, or like to contribute. We can simply tap to raise the hand, and the teacher will get that notification, and then a student can tap again to lower their hand. Also in Google Meet, there's a closed caption setting. Each user can turn on the closed captions, and it will take any audio that's being added to the call and convert it to text on the bottom of the screen. The teacher may allow students to present their screen. What that means is that a student who might be writing in a Google document, exploring a website, or creating a Google presentation would be able to take that and share it with the entire class. There is also new features in the bottom right-hand corner in the triple dot section, where students also have the option to, for example, change the background. They can change the background of their setting, or they can even blur the background to increase a little bit of privacy when they're inside of a call. Students can also engage in a text chat with their peers and with their teacher. The chat can be found in the top right-hand corner of Google Meet. When students tap on that chat icon, a chat box will appear, and they can send a message to every other user in the room. Teachers have the ability to turn the chat on or off, and that's at the teacher's discretion. The teacher may ask students to submit an idea, a response, a question, or a thought in the chat. So that's our quick, basic walkthrough and overview of Google Meet. Remember that Google Meet can be accessed through Google Classroom. If the teacher turns on that feature, the link will appear on the top of the page. Thanks for watching this quick video overview, and we'll see you in the next video as we explore some best practices inside of a Google Meet call.